Linda with What's Linda Cooking. I am today doing something really quickly. I got this pork that was from Sid Wainer, and it was reduced, and I just, I said, what do you do with it? It's called pork tazo, and I looked it up, and it said jambalaya. A lot of people put it in jambalaya, so I'm going to put this away. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try jambalaya tonight, but I don't have the chicken and all of that, so I'm just going to do some linguiça with the pork tazo and in my quick cooker. So that's what we're doing. So first off, I'm going to put this on to sear. That's my quick cooker, and I'm just going to put that on. Put a little bit of olive oil, because that's the base of everything anyways. So I'm going to put that in right there. And then we're going to just top it. And let me see if this is going right, because I'll put the onion in, and I got my food chopper here, so we're going to put this onion in, and I do have a food mover, and I forgot to put to get my food mover out. And then this is, I love this. This is my wooden spoon. Nice long handle. So we're just going to kind of leave that in there going. Then of course we're going to put some garlic in there. Oh, not that. Garlic with my garlic press. I love garlic. I don't know if you guys do, but I absolutely love it. It's in everything I cook. And what I love about our particular garlic press is you don't have to peel the garlic. There's the peel right there. So, and when you're looking at garlic, you really want to think tighty-whitey, okay? So all of your bulbs need to be tight and white, like this, tight and white, okay? So think of that the next time when you're choosing your garlic, that tighty-whitey, okay? And those are the best garlic. Notice I'm taking out the garlic because of the garlic things. I'm going to put that into my little bag that I always save of scraps for my stock, because that will flavor up the stock, okay? So I'm going to put that aside right here. Okay, so I'm doing a little bit different. I'm doing it in my quick cooker, and I have linguiça. I'm going to use my smooth edge can opener to open this up. And I don't have all of the seasonings. So, you know what? It calls for Cajun seasoning. I'm just going to use chili lime. We're going to go with it. I love the chili lime. I'm sure it's going to taste good. So I'm just going to go with it. So we have a thing of tomatoes here. Nice smooth edge can opener. And then of course I've got my linguiça. This is my quick slice. I am just going to quickly, I've never used this with this. So we're going to see if it works. Let's see. On camera live. Here we go. And it did. That's going to be really good for linguiça pizza and stuff too. So I love this for my, I forgot my peppers. Okay, so I usually use this for all my peppers, and then I will just saute those. So let me get my peppers real quick, okay? So this is the quick slice. So I've got them in the freezer. Let me see if I can find them real quick. And if I can't, oh well. Oh, I got them. So we've got them right here. And I have them frozen, so we're going to try it frozen. Because I normally just process these, put them in the freezer, because, sometimes I don't use them up fast enough. So let's see if I can use these frozen. We will see. On live camera. Oh yeah, it did it. There we go. So we're going to put those in, and I got to do a little bit more. There we go. And so we've got some of those in there. We're going to mix that up. Let me get the rest of these in. There we go. There we go. Oh, don't want any pepper left behind. No peppers left behind. Now on the linguiça, I've got my Santuco knife. I'm just going to cut it like this. Just like that. Just like that. And let me know what you're cooking too, because I always love to hear what everybody's cooking for dinner, okay? So we're just gonna, and I love the quick cooker too, because this is gonna be really quick. You're gonna see how quick this goes together. And we got our prep bowls full with that tazo pork. And it reminds me, I had a little piece of it, reminds me a little bit of something like a pastrami, okay? We've got some rice. So we're gonna put that in there. And then we're just gonna add our liquid. I've got in my other Easy Read measuring cup, I've got some chicken stock, I've got the tomatoes, and now I'm gonna put some chili lime in. And how I put it in is, I'm gonna put about a tablespoon in, and I think that's about a tablespoon. So I'm gonna put that in there. And I am gonna let that, it smells so darn good. So I'm gonna mix this up, and hopefully this will come together in deliciousness. That's a technical cooking term. And we're going to have that come in. So what I love about this quick cooker, I am gonna hit, it has all that kinds of programmable things. But I had the sear on, I've got a steam, slow cook, proof, chicken and poultry, beef, pork, seafood, soup stocks, but white rice, 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna put like that. And then when it comes time that I'm gonna release it, the button is over here, far away from the, the steam release. So it's a lot of safety mechanisms built in. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to, I am going to post a picture of it when I'm done. Oh, you can see my vacuum over there. I've been cleaning out some cabinets and stuff, so I've got like vacuum and things like that. What have you guys been doing during this self-imposed or state-imposed stay in place? Because we have been doing gardening, we have been doing like cleaning out my kitchen and things like that, and cooking a lot, of course. But anyways, I digress. So this will be done very soon, and I'll post a picture. But I'd love to see what you guys are also cooking tonight, because I always just love that. And if there's anything in particular you want to see, I'll try based on what I have, because I'm really just cooking from my pantry because I don't want to go out to the stores. And I'm sure you don't want to either. So this is Linda Medeiros. Share this, like, post. If it's on YouTube, please share it, subscribe, all of that. And in the comments, look at the pictures and, just see the picture of what it comes out, and hopefully it'll be good. I think it will be. Okay, and 4 minutes in the quick cooker. Oh my gosh, I love that thing. Okay, it's Linda Medeiros. Bye for now.